Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the most intriguing secrets of iOS 18 that you might not know about. Let's get started. First up, Siri has received a major upgrade in iOS 18. Now, Siri can understand the context of your previous commands and even recognize what's on your screen. Need to find a specific photo or document? Just ask Siri, and it will locate it for you effortlessly. Next, the control center is more customizable than ever. You can now rearrange controls, add new quick actions, and even create dedicated sections for things like HomeKit, media playback, and connectivity. The Photos app has also been revamped. It now combines the library and For You tabs for a more streamlined experience. Plus, with the new Collections feature, your photos are automatically grouped by themes like trips and recent days, making it easier to relive your memories. Managing your emails is simpler too, thanks to advanced categorization. The Mail app now sorts your emails into categories like transactions, promotions, and updates, keeping your inbox organized and clutter-free. And finally, Apple Intelligence is here. This suite of features uses on-device processing to provide personalized responses and seamless cross-app actions. From prioritizing your notifications to creating custom images, Apple Intelligence makes your iPhone experience smarter and more intuitive. Those are some of the coolest secrets of iOS 18 that you might not have discovered yet. Which feature are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech tips and tricks.